Hello YouTubers. MS192t came into my life yesterday, and I thought I'd show it to you and talk about the possibilities. Was told that it was seized, but when I pull on it, it's got plenty of compression. They said it would run and then it wouldn't. So an expert said he believed it was fuel related, and I'll tell you, that sounds really promising. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the side cover, and I'm going to clean it up so that I can take the muffler off and look at the piston. So we'll do that, but here, I'll let you eat your heart out. I believe it just needs some love. The filter on it I cleaned. I soaked it and then took a toothbrush to it. I believe it'll be fine. It's in great shape. So let's find out what's wrong with it. It may be a while. I've got 2 other projects ahead, but this is definitely back there. Okay, thanks. Keep watching. Subscribe and like if you like. Okay, thank you. See if you can see it. It's lightly scored. There we go. It's probably just the piston. We'll see.